Hello, my fellow insurables. I'm Kelli Aerosmith, a licensed life insurance agent and broker with Aero Final Expense. And right now we're going to go over who can be a beneficiary in a life insurance policy. And stick with me till the end because I've got some important information about naming your beneficiary you'll want to know. So first off, what exactly is a life insurance beneficiary? This is simply the person or persons or an entity that is legally designated to receive the death benefit when the insured passes away. And a primary beneficiary is the person's or persons first in line to receive the death benefit. And you can also specify the percentage or portion of the death benefit that you want your primary beneficiary to receive. And a contingent or a secondary beneficiary is kind of like a backup quarterback. This is the person or persons that will receive the death benefit from your life insurance policy if your primary beneficiary has passed away or is unable to receive the death benefit. And if you happen to live in a community property state, more than likely you'll need your spouse's approval if you were to name someone else as your beneficiary, although I would ask your agent. Now, a beneficiary can be revocable, meaning that you can change the name of your beneficiary, or they can be irrevocable. And irrevocable means that you cannot change the beneficiary without the permission of the beneficiary. All right, and when you're picking your beneficiary, this is super important because this comes down to how the life insurance company is going to be able to notify and pay your beneficiary. Please provide them with the proper full name, your beneficiary's date of birth, a phone number, an address, and if you have it, a social security number. All right, so let's go over who can I name as my beneficiary on a life insurance policy. Well, pretty much anybody you choose, whether that is your spouse, a partner, your parents, your child, a grandchild, another relative, a friend. You can even name a charity, a trust, a church, a benevolent society, or your estate as the beneficiary of your life insurance policy. And side note, you guys, I'm sorry because I am a pet lover, but you cannot name your pet as a beneficiary. I know my dog Luann is going to be devastated when she hears that. And here's something to note. If you get divorced, it's not going to automatically change your life insurance beneficiary information. So if you and your spouse split up and get divorced, you will need to notify the life insurance company and make the appropriate changes. All right, you guys, here's this important fact that I wanted you to know about. If for some odd reason you did not name a beneficiary, which I don't know why you would even have life insurance if you didn't name a beneficiary, but let's say, for instance, your primary and your contingent or secondary beneficiary were to pass away, or they're unable to receive the benefit because they cannot be found or some other reason, then the death benefit of your life insurance policy is going to go to your estate. And that's why it's very important to notify and update the information on your policy if something were to change or if one of your beneficiaries were to pass away. All right, guys, there you go. There's the answer to who can I name as my beneficiary, among some other important facts that you do need to know. And if you have any other questions about today's topic or any other kind of life insurance questions, please let me know down in the comments. You can also visit me at Aero Final Expense, and I'll post the link down in the comments as well. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.